Yeah, pigeon. You look a bit fucked up there, mate. Been smoking spice? Been taking a bit of crack and heroin, have you, birdie? Aye, yeah, man. You go off to school now, birdie? Oh, aye. You're getting a bit of being white, yeah? So, yes, we're going to try and get Derek on it. No, I've not got it. I like terrorising the bin man, you see. So have you got out to say to my YouTube channel, apart from out abuse them? Be really nice.
I've never been abusive to
Be
you.
really nice, come on.
I've always been nice to you. But you don't film people from Biffa. You've been told about that before.
Well, you love people from Biffa, I love them.
Yeah, but you see, you don't film people from
All your colleagues will see this, you know.
Hey? There's something to do with Matthew.
This is Derek anyway. Introduce yourself. Say, my name's Derek and I love it up the bum. Come on. My name's Derek and I love it up the bum. The wind is going up, the wind is going up.
Now go away, Matthew.
Come on. How's your coffee, sir?
Yeah?
Is your coffee good?
It was fantastic.
What about yours?
He touched me.
He what?
He touched me. He molested me.
Ooh. This guy's been...
You need a new phone, you. It's all bloody cracked.
Huh? You love your cracks, don't you? You love your ass cracks, you. Yeah, he loves his ass cracks, him. Oh, you love your bit of ass crack.